Hello and welcome to JJ and Kaz, and we're on the P&O Aurora heading up to Norway, and this is our deluxe balcony cabin. As you can see on the side here we've got the air conditioning, which we can have either warm or cold, and in here this is our toilet facility and shower and bath as well. So I'll just take you in here. As you can see, Aurora's quite an older ship, so everything is very peach, but everything is in good order. And here is the bath. Quite a large bath actually, and an over shower. Haven't really tried it yet, so we'll let you know if anything's awry there. Going through into the cabin. There's a mirror there. Hello, it's me. And here's the safe, which is just put up there, the normal safe you find on any cruise ship these days. In here we've got some storage. Let's just open that up. Plenty of long hanging storage, which is always nice to see, both sides. And you've got also the life vest there at the top, and places to put your luggage. There's also places to put your luggage underneath the bed there. Just close that up. You've also got these drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers in total, plus 2 drawers at the side of the bed. We've got our bed made up in a queen formation. There's the other one that side with a telephone to reach the front desk. Because this is a deluxe cabin, we've got a nice area for sitting in as well, which can be masked off. This is also a sofa bed, which we won't be using because there's only 2 of us in here. You've also got another control there for the air conditioning. Over here, a little bit more storage in these glass cabinets. The television at the moment is showing the muster drill. There's a mirror here. The one interesting thing is it's UK sockets, and we've got 1, 2, 3 UK style sockets in this room. You've got tea and coffee making facilities, and they've also given us some complimentary water, which is quite nice. Another set of glass doors there, which leads you to more storage. Let's have a little go, see if I can open it. Yep. And that seems to be where you could put some wine if you wanted it as well. Down here, I think, is the fridge. It certainly is. That should have opened at the same time, but never mind. There's the fridge. That's cold inside, so you can put anything you like in there. That's pretty good. And out here, of course, is the balcony. Let's see if I can get into the balcony. Now, the one thing you're going to notice when I come out here is we've got our balcony here. Now, we're cruising with our 2 sons in the next door. So our nice cabin steward, what he's done is he's opened up this side so that we can all enjoy this balcony together. So that's the reason why it looks a little bit bigger than you probably would get. In the distance there you can see the some more ships. The Britannia's just over there, and this is obviously Southampton Water, and this is the other side of the cabin, which they've opened up for us, and there's the other cabin. So that's a little tour of our cabin, our deluxe balcony cabin, and I will have a ship tour coming online soon as well. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.